Tēnā koutou, this year's National Hautapu ceremony will be hosted here in the Ruapehu district on Tirorangi Marae by the iwi of Ngāti Rangi.
It's an honour for us here at Tirorangi and for Ngāti Rangi to host the national ceremony and to be the first marae to host the national ceremony. And there are a number of places we could have held it, but we thought, actually, let's bring it to the marae so that people who've been following this process over the few years now, it can be done everywhere. Whether it's done at your home, intimately, or whether it's done with a community at a special hill or place, or at our marae. So Ngāti Rangi are the people of the heavens. We're named after our tupuna, tipua and atua Pairangi. And Pairangi is the atua of Te Maungaroa of the Milky Way. And he descended from the heavens onto Ruapehu. And Tirorangi is a great place to view the sky. Might be a bit cloudy today, but it's a great place to view the sky. And so we thought, what better place to share a portion of us with the nation than to come to our humble marae Tirorangi. And as you'll see with the ceremony, there are subtle differences, but the nuance is all the same. And so it's exciting, bringing it home and rekindling something that happened in 1946 between our tupuna, where they gathered to talk about stars in March 1946. And so we're not only rekindling that, but we are maintaining that practice.
Ooh, that's a good one. My people from Ruatahuna and from Tūhoi who celebrate Matariki celebrated with the people here. They came from here and travelled to Waikaremwana for a hui, the hui that Che was talking about. They were following knowledge that comes from the appearance of a particular star. So they were on a spiritual journey that's connected to astronomy. And from that hui came a union between a woman from here and a man from Tūhoi. And that union produced my dad, which produces me. And it's a full circle for me, as me and Che, we're related through that union, come back, and Matariki mā Puanga is my grandparents. They are Matariki mā Puanga, but it's also Matariki mā Puanga is myself and Che. We are related, we have different narratives, but celebrating the diversity in those narratives gives us a strength and a bond and a connection to each other that is timeless, like the stars in the sky. So that's the context of what he was talking about with that hui. So yeah, māua, Matariki mā Puanga. I'm the mā and he's the pango one.